Hey everyone, just going to make a quick video here of my Subaru STI, WRX, Forester, Impreza, anything CVT shifter that came out after, I believe, 2014. There's two different designs, so 2014 and up and 2013 and down. So this one here looks like this. So if you have a shifter that looks like that, this is the adapter that you're going to turn around and need. So this is my 4-inch piston. Covers most of the adapter, as you can see here. If you want the adapter fully covered, I can do my best to do that. The only reason that this is here right now is to turn around and still have something to grab on, just in case there's a set screw inside that holds the adapter to it, just in case that ever turns around and breaks or something weird happens, but it shouldn't. But this was the first one that I ever made, so it's like a prototype. But just like any other manual car, the shift knob just comes off. So this is key. This is the special part. This is the part that companies might have for sale or might not. I don't know. But I was asked by a few people to come up with this, and just like my bike grip, this is very similar in design, but this allows you to turn around and use any of the shift knobs that I sell to work on the shifter. So you have to purchase this, and you have to purchase a shift knob. So I'll put everything in the links below for this, and to the fab shop, to all my custom shift knobs, so that you can figure it out. This can be powder coated, black, white, or red. Those are the three colors that I'm going to offer for a base price of $5. If you want a custom color, it's going to cost a little bit more, but I could definitely do it. If you get a tall shifter and it's going to cover most of it like this one does, I wouldn't bother getting it done. But if you have a sphere like this one, this is straight off of an STI, right? So because this fits just an STI and WRX or BRZ or an FRS, this is how far it sits down. But obviously I can make that less simply by removing some of the threads, because you don't need that much when you have a shorter shift knob. So in reality, I could probably get it to sit about this far down. But if you like having that look, that's cool. Just let me know. And if you want it to sit down as far as possible, just put it in the comments when checking out, right? So, but like I said, any of my shift knobs will fit on here. I custom make everything in-house, so you don't have to worry about it not fitting, right? So here's my, my Bertha that goes on there, fits, and like silver matches pretty nice. Black would look even better with this shift knob. But choices are up to you guys. So order shift knob, order the adapter, and you know what? You'll take your CVT shifter to the next level. And for the time being, I'm the only one that I think offers this, so that's good for me. Probably more companies will follow suit, but for now, order it up and we'll get it out to you pretty soon. All right, take care.